Alright guys, I'm back today with another video, and this one is going to be brought to you by the company Royalme. But before I get started on everything, if you aren't subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting on? Just hit the subscribe button. It's free. Also turn those notifications on so that you do not miss a video. So I'm just showing you guys what the packaging looks like, and I will insert on the side what it looks like when I first received it, because it does come with a nice bow on it. Anytime I get a package with a bow on it, I'm just anxious to open it up, but I did make sure to film it so you guys can see exactly what it looks like. Now this unit that they sent over is their Luna short bob. This is a lace front. Now this unit does come with your 5.5 inches of parting space, and you can have the option of having the knots bleach, which is the option that I have. And you do get your soft Swiss lace. It comes with 2 combs on the side, a comb in the middle, a comb in the back, and your adjustable strap. And you can get the elastic band, which is detachable, but it's really good to have for extra security. And right here, I am just showing you guys what the bleach knots look like. I think they really did a good job with bleaching the knots. I feel like they aren't overdone on this unit. So right here, I am just going to go ahead and take off my scarf, which I picked up from Sally's, just in case anybody is inquiring about it. If I can find links to it, then I will make sure to leave that down below, along with any products that I am using throughout this video. Right here, I am just adjusting the cap to make sure that it fits me really good. And once again, this is the medium cap size, which is a 22.5. Now in my hair, with my hair measurements, I am a 21.5, but I feel like the medium cap size fit me really good, especially with the elastic band to it. All I had to do was tighten it up just to make sure it fit really good, and I won't have to worry about laying it down with any glue or any adhesives or freeze spray. This is me styling this unit fresh out of the box. I did not wash this wig. I didn't feel the need to, just because the work was already done, the knots were already bleached, and the hair smelled good. It didn't have any type of funky smell to it, so I do feel like this is one that is one of those truly you can wear it out of the box. All you have to do is add a little bit of heat to it and just kind of decide which side you do want to put your parting space on. I'm going to show you guys what the parting space looks like. You can part this on the left, middle, or right. Now on the website, they do have the option of if you want to pick the middle part or the side part. They sent me the side part, and it is parted on the left side. Now you guys know I am a right side girl, but because I like the way that this looks, I'm just going to rock with it and just style it to my liking. My heating spray, I did use my Beyond the Zone heat protectant spray, and I just sprayed it lightly throughout the hair. And then I'm going to go in using my Kaposi flat iron, which you guys can find on Amazon. I really do love this flat iron, and I feel like it definitely gets the job done without having to do too many passes when you use it. As the hair texture goes, this is a silky texture. I do feel like this hair flat irons very well, and I also did leave a little slight bump underneath it, nothing too tight, but just something that'll make it nice and flowy. And then one thing I did notice when I moved towards the top of the hair, I did notice some shorter pieces, so you guys will see me going in between the parting space area with my Care wax stick and my HotComb just to lay that down. And I also went in at the top and used the HotComb just to kind of lay everything down also, because I wanted this to lay really flat. HotComb that I am using is not my regular HotComb. You guys know I usually use the Andy's HotComb, which you can find on Amazon. This is the one I picked up from the beauty supply store, which runs about $9.99. Now, if I had to choose between HotCombs, I prefer the one from the beauty supply store, just because I feel like it gets really hot and it lays everything down a little bit better. However, I don't feel like they last as long as the Andy's HotComb. If I can find the name of this HotComb, I will make sure to leave that link down below, or I'll ask my local beauty supply store what the name of it is. As you can see, it took me no time to flat iron this unit. I want to say total it took me about 10 minutes between the flat ironing and also adding the HotComb in between the parting space and at the top to lay everything down. So this is one you don't have to spend a lot of time and fuss on. Now I'm just going to go ahead and work on putting some powder into the parting space and the hairline, and I will be going in using my Ruby Kisses 3D Contour Creator Powder Palette in the color light medium to blend everything out. I did notice on the right side that I could have cut down a little bit more lace closer to the ear, but I'm not going to worry about that, because when I'm wearing this, you won't be able to see that piece at all, but I'll make sure to go in and trim it down later. After I go in with my powder, I'm just going to go in with the Glam Force spray, and I'm going to spray it through the comb and then run the comb on top of the hair. Now this is also going to help kind of hold the style into place and not worry about those little flyaways that I did notice. And then I'm going to make sure to add in my Garnier Fructis Sleek and Shine Serum, and that's going to help with any type of frizziness. The website, they do offer the small, medium, and large cap. Of course, the large cap will take an extra 50 days, so make sure you are not in a rush to get your unit. And then I feel like this unit is affordable. It's perfect for every day. It comes out to $185 with the exact same option. Now, if you want to step it up and be a little bit extra, you can inquire about the fake scalp method, because they do offer the fake scalp if that is something that you are looking for, or you can just ask them, can they just bleach the knots like I have? How the unit looks on the side and the back. Now I love the way that this 10-inch falls. I feel like it's still very flowy, and I think that this is perfect for every day. Now they do offer longer bob units on the side if you feel like 10 inches is just too short, but I feel like it looks really natural, and because it doesn't require a lot of fuss, that's perfect for me, especially during the summertime if you still do want to rock wigs. Now the 150% density, I do feel like it's a little bit thinner, but like I said, because it is getting hot outside, I don't want my bob to be too thick. As shedding and tangling goes with this unit, I didn't get any shedding, and I also didn't get any tangling with this unit. This one is very easy, like I said, to work with, and it's also very lightweight. Now the only con that I noticed about this unit was that on the left side, right where the parting space started, it just looked a little bit wide on that side, not too wide to where it looked ball. Now if you part it in the middle, I did not notice that issue at all. It was just on that one side. Let me know what you think about this easy no fuss wig. If you guys are interested, once again, I'm going to make sure to leave all of the links down below, along with a coupon code if I have one. Guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, turn on your notification button, share and like this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.